Leaving camp, heading on down the trail. It was a good night here. Slept well. Hopefully the rain will hold off. 10 miles today. All right. That's the town of Hot Springs, right there. All 8 blocks of it. Uh, 63 degrees. It's humid. A little drizzle. Whew. Slow and steady. This is the climb out of Hot Springs. A dam? Huh.
It's a damn pond.
Huh. Hello, hiker. The road all the way down? The road all the way down? Wow. Stairs. What a long day. About 11 miles. Whew. Coming into Spring Mountain Shelter. I think that's what it is. It's right here on the trail. Phew. What a day. What a day, what a day, what a day. Hopefully there's room for old Sugar Bear in there. Yep. Hot, muggy, rained on, muggy. Ugh. Looks like a small shelter. It's probably full. Hey, hey, we got room?
Yep.
Cool. Sheltering from the rain. Oh yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Well, this is Sugar Bear, and we are heading out. Last night was rocking and rolling with the storm, and it was interesting. Yeah, I'm glad we made it in here in time. But now it's time to head north. Yep, do about 10, we'll see, more. All right. Oh, picked up a cough. It was a bit cold and rainy. I had this cough for a while. Oh. It's all right. It's part of it. I don't know if you guys can see, but that whiteness you see coming up, that's a cloud sitting in the valley. Ooh, dang, that rainstorm last night. Thunderstorm. Whew. Man, was it booming and rocking. Oh yeah. And the shelter had a tin roof. Oh man. It put us all to sleep. Slept good last night. Yeah. So that cabin, excuse me, that shelter I was in was one of the originals. So, not very big. We slept 5, 6 of us comfortably. But it had some dates written in there. In the 50s and the 60s. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The trail's all wet. A little slippery. Right from the source. Oh, it's good. Nice and cool. Thank you, God. Yep. Whew. I'm down in the gap near the road. You see some cars go by. Yeah. Here come one right now. Whew. It's a cool but muggy day. Man, let me tell you. person stopping? I have no idea. All right, let me turn this up. Anyways, yeah, take me a little lunch break here. Just kind of relax and cool my jets. There's a water source here. I'll filter this one. I ain't gonna drink from the source of this because it's right next to the road. Even though it comes out of the mountain area over there. But better safe than sorry. Know what I mean? Yeah. All right, bye. Why did the hiker cross the road? Because he got to. I think I'll have lunch over here. It's a wee bit safer. Just a wee bit. 2,234 feet above sea level. I have to get to Little Laurel Shelter. 4.9 here, but on my far out it says 4.8. I'll take 4.8. Yeah. Okay. Sun's coming out. It's a beautiful day. Every day is good.
People that come in with me.
Heading on down the road to Uncle Johnny's and beyond.
Every day in between there. And you kind of, when you're first planning a hike, you don't really think of it as how deep it is. This trail is very deep. It's decades deep of people involved with the trail and other people that have done it.
All right, back on trail. Had to bail out because of the weather. Now we're going again. Here we go. Yeah, there's some pavers. Well, we've had a lot of rain the past couple of days. Trail is soaked and slippery, muddy. A lot of rivers or creeks are flooding. Whew. Trail Magic. Welcome 24 homemade cookies. The Southern Cookie Lady, we found it. Right here. So we're coming up to the Southern Cookie Lady's house. Yeah? No. Right. Or there's a sensor that went off. Oh. There's a couple of houses back there. Right there in the front. In the front. Right here.
Peanut butter cookie. The first cookie is free. Enjoy. There's no.
There's the shelter. Whew. I gotta walk to the sign, or Dancing Bear would say I'm not doing it right. Little Laurel Shelter. Whew. Alrighty, folks. Sugar Bear shoving off. Heading home down the trail. Last night was great. Good shelter. Good water source. It's time to go. Morning. Just by all the rain we've been having. Been having a lot of rain lately. All right, so this right here is a piped spring. I've been known to drink straight from the source of springs. Streams, creeks, rivers, I'll filter. But springs, yeah, you know. Due to all the rain, has washed out this campground area. There might be a dry area up there or a high area, but this area is definitely gone right now due to all the rain, which we might get some more today. Absolutely. Look, the trail has become a small stream. So took the bad weather ridgeline instead of the exposed white blaze. So I'm a little blue blazing right now. Haven't really blue blazed. So it's part of it. Part of my adventure. I've hitched. I've yellow blazed. Yeah. And I've now blue blazing. Part of it. Part of the adventure. $300 miles. Not bad. 300 miles of the AT, up the Appalachian Trail. What a feeling. What an accomplishment. Yeah. All right, this Sugar Bear saying, you hike you, and I'll see you on trail.